Hello everyone, today I want to solve the nice trigonometric equation problem. So we have this is nice trigonometric equation, sin x plus cos x is equals to 1 over 5, and from this equation we get the value of tan x. So here we get the tangent x. So here for this the very first thing we are going to do is first we apply here squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, this will be written as sin x plus cos x and its whole square is equals to 1 divided by 5 and its whole square. So in the next step we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as, here we use the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this nice rule, we just expand the left hand side of the above equation as in this form. So this will be written as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 times of sin x into cos x is equals to, this is 1 over 5 square, and we know that 1 square becomes 1 and 5 square becomes here 25. And here we use another nice trigonometric formula, or in other words we know that it is the trigonometric identity. We know that if we have sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, and here we use another double angle identity. You know about that, sine of 2x is equals to 2 sine x into cos of x. So we use these two nice trigonometric formulas into the left hand side of the above equation. So here first we just replace this term is equals to 1, and it will be written as 1 plus, this is 2 times of sin x into cos x, and according to this formula it will be written as sine of 2x is equals to 1 divided by 25. So further in the next step we move this plus 1 from left hand side to the right hand side, and this will becomes here sine 2x is equals to 1 divided by 25 minus 1. So here we need little bit more simplification into the right hand side. So here in the right hand side we will take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 25. This 25 and this 25 are gone, and we get here 1 minus 25. And now further in the next step we have 1 minus 25 is equals to minus 24 divided by 25, and in the left hand side we have this is sine of 2x. So here in order to get the value of tan x we use the nice algebraic nice trigonometric formula. Here another formula is, you know that if we have sine of 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So this is the conversion of double angle identity into the tangent form. So we write sine 2x in this way, and here we replace this sine 2x is equals to this formula. So according to the below nice formula we write the above equation as in this form. So this will becomes here 2 times of tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x is equals to minus 24 divided by 25. So here in order to get a more simplification form, we first convert our given equation into the lowest form, and for this we introduce a new variable by substitution. Now so here we take the term tan x is equals to a. So when we put tan x equals to a, then our above equation is written as, this will becomes 2a divided by 1 plus a square is equals to minus 24 divided by 25. So here further in the next step we need a cross multiplication of the terms. So further we multiply this 25 with this 2a, and 25 times 2a is written as 2a multiplied by 25, and we multiply 1 plus a square to minus 24, and it will becomes minus 24 times of 1 plus a square. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and this will be written as this is 2 times of 25 becomes 50 times of a is equals to, here we multiply minus 24 separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as minus 24 minus 24 times of a square. And now in the next step we need more simplification here, and we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and this will becomes this is minus 24 times of a squared. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes 24 times of a squared plus 50 times of a. This minus 24 is also becomes here plus 24, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now here you see that each of these terms is divisible by 2, so that we divide each of these terms separately by 2 on both of these two sides. So you see that this is 2 times 12 becomes 24, and we get here 12 times of a square, plus this is 2 times of 25 becomes here 50, and we get this is 25 times of a, plus in the same pattern we have this is 2 times of 12 becomes here 24, and we get here plus 12 is equals to this is 0 divided by 2 becomes here 0. So in the next step you see that after little bit simplification we convert our given equation into the quadratic form, and here we just use the factorization technique to make the factors of this equation. So here we break its middle term, and we write this 25 as 16a plus 9a plus 12 is equals to 0. And now in the next step we have here in from first two terms we have 4 be the common value, or so that we will be take common 4a, and we get the remaining values are, so this is 4 times 3 becomes 12, and here we get a only, and this is 4 times 4 becomes 16, and we take common a from here, and plus in the same pattern we have, so this is also positive sign, and here from these two terms we will be take common 3, and we get the remaining values are 3a plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and from both of these two, and from here you see that 3a plus 4 be the common factor, so that we will be take common 3a plus 4, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 4a plus, from here we get 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 3a plus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write 4a plus 3 is equals to 0. So from first case we move plus 4 to the right hand side, and we get 3a is equals to minus 4, and for the values of a we divide both of the sides by 3, so this 3 and 3 are gone, and we get here a is equals to minus 4 over 3. So in the same pattern from here we get 4a equals to minus 3, and a is equals to minus 3 over 4. So here these are the two values of a, and now we need to move backward, and we will take here our a is equals to 10x. So finally we have there are two values of 10x, so that is 10x is equals to minus 4 over 3, and the second value is 10x is equals to minus 3 over 4. So these are the two values of 10, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.